So recently I went live on my YouTube channel. It was my first YouTube live, and one of my viewer commented on my video saying his name is Ayush Sharma. He's also an author. He asked me that when am I going to review Amish Tripathi's latest book. So Ayush Sharma, here it is. Hi, hello, namaste. My name is RJ Manjula and welcome to my YouTube channel जहाँ पर आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं अमीश त्रिपाठी साहब की लेटेस्ट बुक द चोला टाइगर्स का. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अवेंजर्स ऑफ सोमनाथ. So let me tell you, The Chola Tigers by Amish Tripathi is connected to one of his earlier book called Sohail Dev, which the story is kind of connected, but that does not mean that you have to read Sohail Dev before starting The Chola Tigers. They are completely independent reads. This book just have mentions of Sohail Dev at one or two places. That's about it. But you can definitely pick up this book without even reading Sohail Dev. But still, if you're curious about knowing more about Sohail Dev by Amish Tripathi, then I have also reviewed this book on my channel. The video will be there on my channel, and also I'll put the link in the description box below and also on the I button above. तो कहानी शुरू होती है हमारे शिवलिंग के टूटने से, जिसके टुकड़े टुकड़े करते हैं महमूद ऑफ गजनी. और वो इस शिवलिंग के टुकड़े करने के बाद उन टुकड़ों को अपने साथ गजनी ले जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत बड़ी मस्जिद बना रहे हैं वहाँ पे, और वो चाहते हैं कि उनकी सीढ़ियों पर वो इस शिवलिंग के टुकड़े लगाएं. और ऐसा करने से उन्हें लगता है कि शिवलिंग के टुकड़े करने के साथ साथ उन्होंने हमारे देश के विश्वास के, देशवासियों के विश्वास के भी टुकड़े कर दिए हैं, उनकी स्पिरिट को तोड़कर रख दिया है. बट देयर इज अ सर्वाइवर. हिज नेम इज सोमेश्वर दत्त. He takes an oath to take a revenge from Mahmud of Ghazni to kill him. And Someshwar Dutt, along with his friend Iqbal, travels to the most powerful kingdom called Chola Kingdom. And he meets the king of the kings, the most powerful king, Rajendra Chola himself, and tells him the entire story. And Rajendra Chola, along with his friend Bhoj Parmar, who's also the king of Malwa region, they decide to make a plan to kill Mahmud of Ghazni. अब इस प्लान में सबसे जो योद्धा हैं, सबसे वीर योद्धा हैं जो राजेंद्र चोला के पास, उनको चुना जाता है इस मिशन का नेतृत्व करने के लिए. उनका नाम है नरसिम्हा. उन्हीं के साथ इसी देश के एक और योद्धा हैं विजयन, उनको चुना जाता है. और इन दोनों का साथ देती हैं एक और सीक्रेट वॉरियर, आप जिसे कह सकते हैं, जिनका नाम है अमल. So, Someshwar Dutt, Iqbal, Narsimha, Vijayan and Amal, along with a few warriors, they travel, and they travel to Ghazni. And this journey that they take to kill Mahmud of Ghazni is full of risks. It is full of unknown enemies, unimaginable dangers, and also some adventures that can lead to deadly wars. वहीं दूसरी तरफ महमूद ऑफ गजनी अपने गुरूर के नशे में चूर खुद को खलीफा बनाने की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं. और उनकी इस योजना में उनकी बेगम कौसरी जहां और उनके लवर, जो कि एक स्लेव भी थे, मलिक अयाज, वो भी शामिल है इस योजना में उनके साथ. नाउ अनफॉर्चुनेटली व्हेन नरसिम्हा वाज ट्रैवलिंग टू गजनी, during this journey, he and his group is attacked by some unknown enemies. And during that fight, Narsimha is injured badly. His right hand is paralyzed. And also, while traveling through the sea, they are attacked by enemy ships again. And in that war, they lose a few warriors. So, of course, there's now handful of soldiers against, Mahmud of Ghazni. महमूद ऑफ गजनी जो हैं इतने पावरफुल हैं कि उनको मारना तो दूर की बात है, उन तक पहुंचना भी नामुमकिन सा लगता है. Will Narsimha be able to lead his team to this mission? Will he be able to complete his mission? Will Indian faith in their God survive? Will Mahmud of Ghazni finally pay for his crime? For all these questions, you need to read the book, The Chola Tigers, Avengers of Somnath by Amish Tripathi. सो अमीश त्रिपाठी की स्टोरी ना इतनी फ्री फ्लोइंग होती है, उनकी राइटिंग इतनी फ्री फ्लोइंग है कि आप उस फ्लो में बस बहते जाते हैं. कुछ पन्नों पर आपको आंसू आएंगे, कुछ पन्नों पर आपको गुस्सा भी आएगा. इतनी गहराई है अमीश त्रिपाठी की राइटिंग में. I love the characters, of course, and I love the fact how Amish Tripathi has mentioned King Sohail Dev also at a lot of places in the book, who's an unsung hero of India. By the way, King Sohail Dev is not an imaginary character. He's a real character. You know, his story is real that happened. And also, very subtly, Amish Tripathi wants to tell us that, he wants to give us a very beautiful message that it's okay to respect all the religions, which we do because our religion, our faith also teaches us that. But if another religion believes that only their religion should exist, or any other religion and any other person who's following some other religion should be killed or should be converted, then it's your duty to fight for your dharma. और मुझे इस किताब में फिर एक और मैसेज जो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगा अमीश त्रिपाठी का, वो ये था कि चाहे वो अमल और विजयन का प्यार हो या सोमेश्वर और इकबाल की दोस्ती हो, उसके थ्रू हमें ये पता चलता है कि अगर हम दुश्मन के खिलाफ एक हिंदुस्तानी बनकर लड़ते हैं ना कि हिंदू या मुसलमान बनकर, तो हम किसी को भी हरा सकते हैं. Recent example being, the friendship or the mission that was performed together by Colonel Sophia Qureshi and her wing commander Vyomika Singh. So like always, I'm going to read my favorite lines from this book for you, which is about Mahadev. So it says, if the Lord Mahadev can take away something that you never imagined you would lose, then he can also bless you with something that you never imagined you would receive. So I would definitely suggest, that you make this book a part of your life, a part of your bookshelf, and also make me also a part of your life by, sharing this video with all your family, friends, and your book lover friends. And I'll see you soon in my next video. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए और हंसते रहिए.